Welcome to my first video and we're playing Break In. And here's a road. Easy. I want kid the most. The hungry was static everywhere that I let's go. Yay. Gusto ko na kayo yung upload. Okay, that's good. Yay, let's go. Break In Story Crack by Cracky. Waiting for playing. So guys, I'm under the curtains because my brother is so noisy. Hello, welcome to your new home. Oh, I want that apple. I want that bacon. Explore the house. Apple. Hey, that's my apple. Meaning. Yung bacon. Sorry. The cookie. So guys, wala tayo bat. Hello. Ano sa sila dito sa gawas? Dito guys. I want to go there. Amak-amak ka na sila. Guys, why are you jumping? Nag-apel ka sa usok. It's so fun. Uy, hot dog. What is this? Not yet. Oh, wait. Take a seat at the table. Dinner will be there soon. Dapat ko ni Mel. Mel has their kids, you know. Hey, Mel. Dali ko. Dali ko. So guys, someone is at the door. Who will answer it? Me, of course, because I'm the little child. Oi! Oh no. It's the pizza delivery man. Wala ako. Yay! Second. Let's go sleep. The blue room, that is not what I want. The green room, this is for nerds. This is for nerds, and this is for the... Oh no! The power went out. What happened to the lights? Kita biyak ka, na-burn out. The television is still running. Kabalo ko. Mag-news. May news. Ali mananata. Mail. Ali. Berita ang... Emergency broadcast.
This is not a drill.
The
I repeat, this is not a drill.
on the loose.
The purge has begun. Villains are on the loose and should be avoided. Do not engage them or you may be injured or killed. Games are being invaded and destroyed. I repeat that this is not a drill. Stay inside. Protect your families. Keep doors locked and windows closed. Use boards to secure your windows and doors.
The Leo, Scary Larry.
If you see him, you need to run or hide.
Okay.
If you try to fight him, you will be defeated.
Sure, we will defeat that in time. Hopefully, nothing to worry about. No naman. Magay mo break in mo. It's bedtime. Sleeping gives you energy. Go to bed. O nga, magbuot kaya ka. I guess nag-log ko. Ready na kayo mukha ng bacon, guys. Ready na kayo sabay.
Lagi mo? Hello?
Nagambak-ambak pagyapon sila. Pero oo. They're coming for us. We cannot let another attack happen. There are bombs in the main rooms. Board up every window and door. My grandmother is so crazy. Green room. Need to find a weapon. I want this one. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. Fellow Upaw. Huh? I don't know what to say. Someone who lost or walk weight and height of the world is your sauce for the day in ad. Huh? Ronaldo. Ikaw ba rin si Ronaldo? You did great job of protecting the house. Protect the house. Pizza left over. Mm. Da, nasamad kaya akong libunalan. You are weaker. You are weaker because you are a child. I'm not weak. You're weak. Where is that light coming from? Sa gawas, malamang. Go to the bedrooms. Si Bacon, walay tabang. Char. Everyone survived. Was attacked last night. Kabalo lagi ko. Tigbalik-balik. What is it? Head downstairs and check on the windows. Be careful. Kabalo man me. The basement door has been left open, I think a bad guy is still down there. Malamang! Nabak si Cola. Uy guys, dili lagi di man mo mga they sound you. Ah! Mani. Naglag ko di awa. Lagot kayong cellphone maglag ko. Da, tagam. Kailag kayo, ha? Papaldihan ko kay para lag. Sikat. So this is bye guys. I hope you enjoy this video about me lagging. So bye guys.